For over 130 years, we have delivered solutions to a wide range of customers. With our UK-based offices and 29,000 square metre warehouse, we can deliver the products you need when you need them, so you can keep the line running. We stand shoulder to shoulder with your team to improve processes, drive cost savings and deliver high-quality products from world-renowned brands, so that you can get the perfect finish every time. We support the biggest names in automotive manufacturing in every tier by delivering the products they need line-side. Start your journey with us today to see how we can help your business by delivering first-class service and solutions to you.